In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a backup in Zoho Mail. Backing up your emails is an essential task for ensuring your important messages and data are safe and accessible whenever you need them. So, let's dive right into it. First, the starting point in this process is simply logging in to your Zoho Mail account. To do this, open your web browser and head over to mailzoho.com. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, we'll continue to the next step. Inside Zoho Mail, you'll want to navigate to the settings area. You'll be able to do this by locating the gear icon, usually found at the top of your mailbox interface. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the section labeled Import, Export Emails. This is where we'll conduct our email backup process. Now, in the Import, Export Emails section, direct your attention to the Export section. Here, you'll have the option to select which specific email folder you'd like to back up. Think about which folders hold the emails you can't afford to lose. Whether it's your inbox, sent items, or any other custom folder you have set up, select the one or more you wish to export. Next, you'll have to decide on the date range for the emails you want to include in this backup. If you're looking to secure all emails ever sent or received in a particular folder, select the option to Export All. However, if you're focusing on a specific time frame, choose your desired date range to narrow down the selection. Once you've made your selection for folders and date range, there's an additional option to check, labeled as Include Subfolders. If you have any nested folders that you'd also like to archive, make sure this is checked to ensure they're not left behind in the process. Now the actual exporting can begin. With everything selected, go ahead and click on the Export button. Zoho Mail will start preparing your requested emails for download. After a while, you should receive an email notification in your Zoho Mail inbox containing a download link. This link will grant you access to a zip file that holds your backed up emails in the .eml format. It's crucial to be aware that both the email and link are time sensitive, so don't delay in moving on to the next steps. The final stage in this process is to download and save your export. Click on the link included in the email to download the .zip file. Once downloaded, extract the contents of this file and be sure to save it to a secure and easily accessible location on your computer or external media. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you can effectively create a backup of your emails in Zoho Mail, ensuring that your important communications are safe and retrievable whenever you need them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget